Okay, I'm out of shot. Now I'm in shot. I'm Chris. This is Luke. I'm a chiropractor. Luke's an osteopath, and I want to talk to you today about frozen shoulder. Frozen shoulder is something that millions of people are in horrendous pain with frozen shoulder, and they're often told there's nothing that can be done apart from injections, and the injections usually don't get done until you've had it for months and months and months and you've lost lots of sleep. And now frozen shoulder, I mean, one of the common traits of frozen shoulder is it feels like you're a deep toothache pain down your arm, especially at night. And it can start with a bit of shoulder pain, but then it just gets worse and worse and worse, and you start losing movement, you can't internally rotate, you can't get the arm behind your back. And also, when somebody else tries to pick up your shoulder and your arm, it's like this kind of movement happens, or as you're actually trying to lift it up, it's like even the person say it doesn't hurt, but it just doesn't actually move. And they can't get the arm behind their back, they can't get it up very far. Moving forwards, again, it might not be painful at this point, it just doesn't move, it's stuck. So very often there's a freezing phase where things just are painful and start stiffening up, and then it can just be stiff, but then painful at night. And so one of the things that most people I've found, they haven't got frozen shoulder, they've actually got a rotator cuff injury or another type of injury, but they've just been told it's frozen shoulder. But with true frozen shoulder, and in fact even with some rotator cuff injuries, something called the Niel technique works really well. So I'm just going to show you briefly what it looks like so you know. If you just lie on your side for a moment, and we're going to ignore the phone. Okay. So the Niel technique, it's a soft tissue technique. The person lies on their side, we get a bit of massage cream, we do some massage up the side of the arm, and then we try and let the arm get into a relaxed position. We do a little bit of soft tissue work around the back of the shoulder. We do some very gentle movements within the pain-free area, and we do some work on the front of the shoulder and then the back of the shoulder. It's very simple, it's very easy. Yes, it is uncomfortable, but it's better than actually having the frozen shoulder. If you want some help, you can reach out to us at the clinic, 01 707 662 704. Thank you very much for watching, and get well soon.